Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Installer's Assistant. Today I'm removing the front driver's door from a 2008 Mitsubishi Pajero. This is actually part of a sequence of comparisons for changing speakers versus deadening versus both. I figured while I'm at it, I'll show you guys how to take the door off. All I'm going to need is my trusty 4140 Pry Tool, some tape around it because I'm borrowing this from somebody else, and a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, step one, pop out the windowsill. Simple. Right underneath, one single clip and the whole thing will lift out. The plug has no clips holding it in place, it's just tension and that comes out. We're also going to need our tool to pop off this little black cap. Behind that is a Phillips screw. Pop that out. There's also one right there. And one here. We also need to take this piece off, start at the bottom, pry tool underneath, and wiggle it out. These come out really easy. Some cars are annoying, these ones very, very simple. And again, one Phillips screw behind it. The most complicated part about these doors is this plastic trim. So this is made of two separate pieces. This part stays behind, this part comes off. Underneath that is a spring wire, and on the top of it is a clip. Sometimes they come out nice and easy without too much grief, and sometimes they will fight you the whole way. Let's see how we get on. Okay, I can see that there is the very top of the clip that holds it in place. If I'm lucky, I'll be able to get that pushed down far enough to release the door. If not, which is more commonly the case, that stays behind. Yep, this one's fighting me as well. Okay. And on the bottom is the spring clip. So if you try and pull it from the bottom first, you're basically fighting against that. You've got to go from the top. That should be everything that's physically holding it. And now all we have to do is release all the pop clips. That's physically holding the door in place. With that clear, that lift up, and we can release our window plug, one push clip, and it slides out, and down the bottom, if yours has it, our door light. So this is the clip that was causing all the grief. And ultimately, that sits on the top there, like such. So we're trying to push these down to get out. So I managed to push this one down, but it wasn't applying enough pressure to release the top two. There's bound to be a trick for it, but I haven't figured that one out yet. Anyway, from there we have access to our speaker, one white plug, 4 screws, that pops out, and 2 screws for our tweeter, and then we can replace them. If you want to see the difference between changing speakers and not changing speakers, check out the page and we'll show you how it all works.